Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by installing Google Authenticator and signing into Coindcx. Open Coindcx, go to Security, then tap Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Once done, Coindcx will show a QR code and a 16-character backup key. Copy or write that key immediately and store it offline. Make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic, because authenticator codes depend on accurate time. Now, open the Google Authenticator app and prepare to add a new account so you can scan or enter the key. In Google Authenticator, tap the plus icon and choose Scan a QR code or enter a setup key. If scanning, point your camera at Coindcx's QR. If manual, paste the 16-character key and label the account so you recognize it. The app will display a 6-digit time-based code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Once you see a stable code, go back to Coindcx, type that 6-digit code into the verification field, and submit to link Authenticator to your account. After successful verification, Coindcx will confirm 2FA is active, save the backup key and any recovery codes in a secure offline place. Log out and back in to test the flow. You should be prompted for a Google Authenticator code. If a code is rejected, make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time and try again. Incorrect time is the most common issue. If you still cannot access your account, use your saved backup key to re-add Authenticator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.